Goggles on?
Yes.
Oh, hi everybody. Jason from Swift here, just out in the field doing a little field research on our new Elwha Pack. Today, using the scientific method, we're going to find out the volume of our new pack. One, two, three, four, five. By my calculations, that's approximately 60 ounces of your favorite beverage. If you need more, we've made these handy sidekick pouches that attach with molly webbing to the hip belt. And if you add 2 sidekick hip pouches, you get an extra 32 ounces of your favorite beverage.